Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Greenever 14-in-1 hatchet multi-tool. Comes in a really nice box, so it could fit definitely as a really nice gift. So let's open it and see what we get. Comes with this small instructions manual. Here we have a little bit of explanation what kind of tools we get here. And also some support information could be really helpful. So that's absolutely amazing how we get it with this belt holder here. By the way, we can remove that so you don't have to go through this thing all the time with your belt. If you think it's safe enough, I mean, it's pretty hard to open that, so I think this should be pretty safe to just wrap around your belt and then you have it ready to go. So let's open, see what we get. By the way, it comes in 3 different style or different designs, and that's the size here. It looks quite small, but it has still a decent size and definitely a decent weight, so you can do something with that. It's pretty sharp. I'm going to try this out. It's nicely secured down here, so you can open that. Here you see the hammer. It's massive hammer, definitely not a toy. Then we can use this as a pliers with quite some strength. 3 different options here to hold something, then the round one, and then to cut a wire. So here we have the blade. Let's open them. Here we have a saw, then another multi-tool like bottle opener and other stuff. Different kind of saw. This looks definitely like wood. Here the thing with a screwdriver, and here normal blade. Looks pretty sharp. So what we don't have here is something to secure the blades, but there is also no like snap back mechanism. So I'm good with that. I don't need that. I'm always a little bit fearing of this snap back mechanism, so I prefer actually this way how this works here. So I've been outside for a little bit and tried a couple of the blades. The hatchet definitely something which we can really use a lot, even on larger wood. I mean, it's not something which you can use to produce firewood for the whole winter, but if you want to have something with you quite lightweight but still strong enough to have quite some impact, yeah, that's definitely good. And I've also tested the wooden saw, which was really good, and also the normal blade had quite some impact, so I'm really happy with it. So quite impressive set, definitely for the price. I love the quality, I love the opening mechanism, and especially also this hold here, which I think makes it very safe to use and could be a perfect gift as well. So I'm super happy with it, and I can give you full recommendation, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.